Hello, Namaste. Let's make Poori today. Okay, so for best tasting Poori, you need 1 cup of Pillsbury flour, quarter cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sooji, that is semolina, and half teaspoon of salt, and extra hot, very hot, 1 tablespoon of oil. So I am taking 1 cup of Pillsbury flour, all-purpose flour, and into it I am adding salt half teaspoon, semolina 1 teaspoon, and sugar 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. And now add extra hot tablespoonful of oil. Mix with a spoon. Now add good half cup of water, little by little, and mix again. Make a tight, stiff dough. So it makes a very stiff dough now. Sprinkle some water, maybe 2 teaspoons, and cover it. Cover it for about 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, let's open it and mix again for 1 minute with your clean hands. Now make 16 small balls like this. Just roll it and fry it. Deep fry it. So take an oil in a pan. Open pan like this. After 20 minutes, make small balls like this, nearly 18 to 20. Take a drop of oil, roll it and fry it. Roll like this, 4 inches round. Puris are ready. Let's check our oil. Yes, it's ready. Let's fry it. Turn around. Drain the oil and it's ready. Just be careful, oil is too hot, and drain on the paper towel. The next one. Wow, beautiful. It puffs up like a balloon. Wow, beautiful. Turn around and it's ready. Just 30 seconds each side and it's done. Drain it and take it out. Carefully turn around. Just press a little bit so that it cooks from both the sides. Drain and take it out. And our beautiful puris are ready. And serve hot puris, at least 4 of them per serving in the beginning. You can serve puris with a sweet dish like mango pulp, some curry, some stir-fry vegetable, pickle, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye. Plain puris.